Hey, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit black dope filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to plus 0.50. Contrast to plus 60. Highlights down to plus 20. Shadows to minus 10. Whites to minus 100. And blacks to plus 40. Now, go to the curve tune. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. The vibrance to minus 25. And saturation to minus 30. And then go to color mix. First go to red color. Adjust the saturation to plus 16. And luminance to minus 10. Next go to orange. Adjust hue to minus 10. Saturation to plus 10. Go to yellow. Adjust hue to minus 100. Saturation to minus 100. Next go to green. The saturation to minus 100. Next go to light blue. Hue to plus 100. Bring the saturation to minus 100. Next go to dark blue. Adjust the saturation to minus 100. Now go to purple. Saturation to minus 100. Next go to pink. The saturation to minus 100. And done. Next go to the effects panel. Texture to plus 10. Adjust clarity plus 20. Plus 44 to A's. Next go to split toning. Highlights H to 210, and S to 5. Shadows H to 220, and S to 10. And done. Next go to details. Adjust noise reduction to 20 and finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.